Sometimes you got to get your sensor back to factory defaults, what it was like when it came out of the box, especially here for the W10. There's so many cool things you can do with the sensor in setting it up, which makes it a wonderful sensor and so very flexible. Now to get it back to factory defaults, because it's made in a factory right here in Minnesota, I actually could drive to the factory and get it reset. Thankfully, it's a lot easier to do and really easy to do with the touch screen. So let's get into it. Reset a W10 back to factory defaults. So from the main, we'll say home screen where we're measuring, swipe from right to left. I'm just going to hold it here and I push, and sometimes it doesn't do anything like this. It's okay, just push a little bit harder, and then now you have your factory symbol. You can't click the factory button. You do want to click the check mark or the X to decline. So yes, we want to basically say yes to the factory default. Now I'm back to factory default.